All right, another really cool feature that just dropped with GHL is their AI email builder. Now, this one's actually really easy to use. And if you stay till the end, I'll tell you what I would use it for that will help you build your SaaS. So let's get into it. It's actually easier than most people probably think.
No, it's going to need 70 hours. You're going to have to go get a college degree.
Full course for this.
Yeah, 4 years degree. You're going to come to Charles's, university. I'm just kidding. So
what's your graduation rate?
Oh, yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about those numbers, okay? So we're in the sub account here. We're in the marketing level, and we're actually on the emails tab. So when we go to this emails tab, we need to click on templates. And as we're in templates, you're going to see there's a new button. Create with AI.
And the way I would start thinking about AI is the acronym, obviously we know what it means, artificial intelligence, but I think of it as accelerating implementation. All it is getting it or making it easier for you to do things, because let's face it, most people just don't utilize email marketing, and you absolutely should be. The only people that say email marketing is dead, the ones that either suck at running an email list or just don't send out emails. It absolutely is still alive.
So when we come over here, we click create with AI. We click on create with AI. It's going to take us to this page right here, little pop-up. We can do it two ways. We can either start off, create a promotional email for, create a multi-column email for. You can change it off from these angles, or you can start complete from scratch and actually create an email. So I'm going to hand it over to Jeff. Jeff is way better at typing, way faster, and he's honestly a copywriter. So go for it.
All right, yeah, you put me on a spot here.
Yeah, go for a promotional email. Let's do a promotional email.
All right,
so let's do, because we were talking about car detailer.
Okay.
Let's do car detailer.
Yeah, let's think about small business. So for
like that.
All right. Anything else you'd put on here?
Click generate template. I don't got anything. That was solid. So we click on generate
Showroom
template.
shine.
It's going to be on the left hand side here, and you're going to see it's actually going to be creating our template. It takes a couple minutes here. So as we're waiting, this is like been game changer, because the way I'm thinking of AI, and especially it being on the beta side of things, is like it's foundational, right? So some of them may come out and they may need a little couple tweaks, and then
you'll be some massaging, a
little bit of or they're going to come out and they're going to be like ready to go. So we're going to see what we get from this. It's not finished, so let's see. We'll be right back.
End of summer showroom shine. We'll see what happens with the rest of this email. But also, if you don't have access to this yet, this is in beta, which beta does potentially mean there may be some bugs, so just be forewarned. But there's a whole video we made on how to actually enable these beta features if you don't have access to them yet. Because at the time that you're watching this video, you might be a trendsetter and trying to get things earlier than when they publicly release. So we'll show you how to do that in another video. And we're back. So it did take a few minutes because it had to generate some pictures. It actually generated some really cool pictures. Is that a real picture?
I literally thought these are real. I honestly don't know if these are real or fake, if I'm being completely honest.
That one with the products looks fake, but the rest of these look
this one looks
freaking solid.
Really real. I saw this one, I was like, it looks like something we shot.
Yeah, no joke. But the thing here is, like, you have something that looks like it was made like a big company or using like a big platform that has all the fancy templates in there. Could it be sexier? Of course. But like, this is a great foundation and a great way to start. But imagine for a second that you're selling SaaS and you're enabling your clients to not only utilize their contacts, but email lists and actually email marketing. And instead of having to write those emails for them, which, could be another service, they now can do it themselves if you made a training or walk them through how to make these. And now you can empower them to actually email market their people. This is actually pretty freaking solid.
Yeah, no, this was actually overall pretty solid. Like I said, we could always pop over here, and obviously, number one, we could manually change this stuff. Like if we wanted to come in here and like, hey, I don't really like this section. Let me change this color
up there
to white or blue or whatever I wanted to, and then actually start editing some stuff. I could absolutely do that. I can change the words on here. You can manually obviously change this stuff as well. That's completely fine. Like Jeff said, putting a logo right here, you can change the picture just like that by clicking edit. Or on the left-hand side, if we're going back and we get out of here, we can actually just tell AI to do stuff for us as well. So if we just were like, hey, can we just use white and blue? Right, so we could do that. And then obviously it'll start going back on there. Hello, I'm here to help you. Would you like to do change?
And this being beta, you're going to have some weird little things like this. But again, massage it out or edit yourself. I love starting like this as a foundation now with the AI email builder, because like building this from scratch, unless you already have templates pre-made, this would take you a lot longer than the couple minutes that it took to actually generate this.
Yeah, and just like that, it's going to be changing the colors from white and blue. So that's going to be pretty much the end of this video. I could literally sit here and wait and show you that it changes from white to blue, but just like that, we could edit this manually or with AI.
Scroll down. That's pretty sick. Like, sorry, I'm just looking at admiring there's things I'd take out, but like, that's pretty freaking solid.
And you could see it's still working up here, and it's literally waiting to save when it finishes that. So. Pretty solid overall.
Well, that's it for this video. We'll make some follow-up videos as this improves, and maybe even have like some cool things you can do with the AI email builder, because we got some really cool things in mind we want to test with clients. So we'll see you in another video.
Later.